Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the bass guitar. In this video I'm using a fretted acoustic bass, but electric bass is fine, upright, whatever. As long as you are tuned E, A, D, G, that is all we need. So let's get started. In this video I'm going to teach you a slightly more complicated version of the bass line to the old Crow Medicine show song Wagon Wheel. I have posted 2 previous videos on that. You don't need to watch them to enjoy this. That bass line took place on 1 string. In this video we'll be moving around the neck a little more. So with that being said, let's get started. The chords we will be using are Golf, Delta, Echo minor, Charlie, Golf, Delta, Charlie, Charlie. I will post the chords down below here so you have a notation. So we need to be able to find the root and the fifth of the chord. So this is quite easy on the bass guitar. As long as you've got a string to drop down to or a string to move up to, you can do it like this. So we're going to find Charlie, the C chord. So we'll find Charlie. That's the 3rd fret of the A string. Now to find the 5th, you can either move up 1 string towards your chin. That's root, 5th, root, 5th, root, 5th, root, 5th. You may recognise that from lots of country songs. The other way to find the 5th is 2 frets down towards your plucking hand and 1 string down. So that's your root, 2 frets along towards this hand, 1 string down. Root, 5th, root, 5th, or root, 5th, root, 5th. So it's either up 1 string, or 2 frets down, down 1 string. So now we'll work out where the chords are in this song. The Golf we're going to be using, the G chord, is the 5th fret of the D string. So the 5th we're going to use is 2 along and 1 down. So it's the 7th fret of the G string. Root, 5th, root, 5th, root, 5th, root, 5th. So it's the 5th fret of the D string for the root and the 7th fret of the A string for the 5th. Root, 5th, root, 5th. That's the G chord. The Delta chord is the same, 5th fret of the A string, 7th fret of the D. The E minor is a little trickier, but we're going to play it as a minor, so that's the 7th fret of the A string and the 5th fret of the D string. So that's me, 7th fret of the A string, 9th fret of the D string. Now that makes it a sort of major chord, but we want the minorness to come out of this, so we're going to do it a different way. That's the 5th fret there, 7th fret there, sorry, 2 frets along, going towards the headstock, 1 string down. That's the flatted 3rd, that's what makes the minor chord a minor chord. You'll hear the difference. Root, 5th, root, minor 3rd. So we're going to play it like that to bring out the minorness quality of the song. So for the E minor, it's up to you. You can either play it root 5th or root flatted 3rd. Personally, I'd play it root flatted 3rd to bring out the minorness quality of the song. Again, to find a minor 3rd, we're at the 7th fret of the A string, 2 strings along towards the headstock, 1 string down. That's that. And the C chord is here, the 3rd fret and 5th fret of the G string. Sorry, that's me. 3rd fret there, 3rd fret of the A string, 5th fret of the D string. That's your root 3rd, root 3rd. So that first passage will sound like this. We are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, but playing on the 1 and the 3. So the first passage sounds like this. See, has a nice little swing to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the first part of the sequence. So again, after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, That's how it sounds. So now we'll work on the second one, and you've already learnt the sequence for this. It's G, D, C, C. Okay, so it's G, D, C, C. So all together it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would be the whole sequence. We'll go through that one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's add another level of complexity to this song. So one of the rules is, when you're playing this type of walking bass line, you never repeat the same note twice. It's meant to be walking, moving all the time. So when we're doing the root fifth on the G, we're already playing the 5th fret that we're going to play the G with. So instead of playing that, we're going to drop down one string to the 3rd fret of the D string on the C, like this: G, D, E minor, C. Okay, can you hear it sounds a bit more musical now, can't you? So we'll go through that very slowly. The G chord stays the same, the D chord stays the same, the E minor stays the same, but the C, root, drop down one string to the 3rd fret of the D string, and that's your 1, 2, then repeat. But on the second time round you play it like this: G, D, C. You can play that normally, but on the second C chord, so if we play that together, it sounds like this after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How you can remember this is the second C, each C, the last C each time round, instead of going to the 5th, you simply drop, excuse me, first day with a new mouth, drop one string down like that. So it's the 3rd fret of the D string instead of playing the 5th fret to make it a 5th. Okay? So very slow, it'll be like this. Cycle. And that is a more advanced version of my version of the walking bass line to the song Wagon Wheel by the Old Crow Medicine Show. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.